Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your spark plugs on your Mazda 3. So to start with, we need to get the spark plugs and the coil packs are under this cover, and so you're going to go ahead and remove this. And this just, it's got some grommets to hold it down. So you just kind of pull it up and pull it up top. And then we've got, this is 4 cylinders, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 4 coil pack. To make it easy, just go ahead and undo these. If you've got anything, the way these clips work, the way they are working, got anything that's like a broad or a good wide screwdriver, just push them down to get them to unlock and then pull them all off. So we've unclipped and we've unhooked those. And that's how you get to there. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these coil packs. These are a size number 8 socket. We're gonna reduce those. And so if you were just remove it, you're going to replace the coil pack because you had one coil pack go bad. All you do is you just undo that bolt, you remove that panel, undo the bolt, pull the coil pack up. This is coil pack. This should be cylinder number 1. Generally your cylinder numbers go from what would be the left side of the motor or the side where the pulleys are on. Could be different on different models, but if you have a misfire on a cylinder, generally it's going to be the coil pack. It's broken down internally, and so you would just buy a new coil pack. And you might want to just go ahead and replace all of them. So you would just do the same process and repeat it all 4 times. So you would just pull this coil pack out, get the new one, get your new one, and you would put it back in, push it in, it sits there. Then you put the bolt in and tighten it up. And that's if you're just going to do the coil pack itself or coil packs. You may just buy one coil pack because you know, for whatever reason, the rest of them are good, but they break down internally, so you might not know, so you might want to replace them all. But you can buy one, you can replace just one if you want, so you just go ahead and put it back in, get the electrical connector and connect them back up. And then you could do that 4 times and replace all coil packs or just the individual one that tells you is bad, right? And so that's how you would replace your coil packs on a Mazda 3 with a 2.0. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.